Like my DSG farts. What's up YouTube, Nate Vincent here with FCP Euro. We're gonna be doing a really quick product review on this 034 downpipe for your front wheel drive or all wheel drive MkVII chassis cars. All right, so included with this kit is we have this cast stainless front section with the catalytic converter. That comes down. Obviously we have our flex pipe and our mount that goes on our lower mount. This is a really nice piece of engineering. It's all TIG welded together. Obviously the cast stainless at the top is going to be able to absorb and deal with the high temperatures that your turbo is going to be putting out once it's tuned. Significant larger diameter here so we get more flow through it. It works with both the IS38 and the IS20 turbo. Some other cool bits is you have a really cool 034 casting on the cast stainless portion of this on the top. So when you look in the engine bay, you're going to be able to see this. It's also going to make your turbo run much more efficiently. So this combined with a tune is going to allow your turbo to spool up, so you're not going to have as much lag. It's also going to make the turbo run more efficiently. So you're not going to have all the restrictions to the exhaust system. So think about it like a turbo is an air pump. So the more efficient you can get the air in and out of the turbo, the more boost your car will create and faster. To do that, the downpipe is much more critical to the operation of the turbo than the muffler or something further back in the exhaust system. 034 Motorsport states that you really want to do this with a tune. This Euro 3 catalytic converter is going to require a tune to be able to run properly. So what we're going to do on our MkVII Golf is we're going to install this downpipe with a stage 2 tune and get the horsepower to over 300 horsepower. We have the connector for the front wheel drive cars. We have the connector pipe for the all-wheel drive cars, so you will only be using one of these depending on your model. Then we have the band clamps. So this is going to connect this here, and also it's going to connect the back side of this to the rest of your remaining standard exhaust system. And then you have the reducer right here, which is going to tie this into the remaining section of your exhaust system. All right, everyone, thank you for watching. This has been another really quick product review. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you.
Oh my God. Channel the squirrel, mate.
He's checking me out for a while.